Hello everybody here on IGTV. This is Jennifer of JennySueMakeup.com and Happy New Year, y'all. It's Thursday. This is my first video on IGTV of the new year. So I wanted to jump on here and just do a really quick video, more of like a product review than anything, and show you how a product works that I've been using lately that I really love. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. I struggle with wanting my skin to look nice and dewy and youthful and to have kind of a radiant glow. I love skin that glows a little bit or a lot. It's kind of a personal preference for some people, but I personally like glowy skin. I feel like it looks more youthful and more radiant rather than all matte skin all the time. So if you struggle with that, might I suggest that you go look into this product right here. So this is a drugstore product. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion product. You can see it right there. I have purchased it in color Light Glow, which is number 902. Excuse me. And the reason I bought this product, like I do most products, when I'm looking for something new, like if I want dewier skin, I'll go look it up online and put in search keywords like how to get dewier skin, you know, good drugstore find, good cheap makeup, you know, or anything like that. And this one popped up quite a few times because Sir John uses it, who is Beyonce's makeup artist, and if it's good enough for Beyonce and Sir John, it's good enough for Jenny Sue. So I saw that he uses this quite a bit on her, and he used it on a Grammy look recently, I think last year that he did on Beyonce. So I went out and purchased it for myself, and I want to show you all how it works because I think it's really, really great. So this product is a glow enhancer. It is not really a moisturizer in my opinion. I have super, super dry skin. So I actually use a moisturizer, then I use this, and then I put my foundation on top. So right now, currently, I have most of my makeup on except for foundation. I don't have any foundation on. I have a little bit of concealer on. So I'm gonna show you all how this works, how I use it. It says online you can use it under or over makeup. I actually do both. Some people say you can use it all over your skin like a moisturizer. I prefer to just hit the high points of the face, like the tops of the cheekbones and the nose, maybe the chin, and maybe above the eyebrows. So I'll just show you all how I use it. So I already have on my moisturizer. Like I said, this is color Light Glow number 902. The lighting is not great in here today. It's kind of rainy again here in Georgia. But this is the color. I'm gonna see if I can kind of show it to you right here on my hand. It's really, really pretty. It's kind of a pearlescent glow. It doesn't have a whole lot of color, but just enough to give you some pretty shimmery, glowy skin. So there it is all over my hand. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my skin, probably the high points of my face. I'm gonna use about that much and see if it's enough. So I like to put it like right on top of my cheek. Now, I mean, like I said, I've seen people use this all over the internet, all over their face. If you wanna glow all over like a disco ball, you go for it. You do you. I'm just gonna do the high points of my face, like my cheekbones. I'm gonna do the center of my nose. You can see that glow already happening. He's a little bit above my Cupid's bow. Like I said, I have on no foundation right now. Right center of my chin. And then you can even pop it like right underneath your eyebrows if you want to. And you can't see my forehead because of my bangs, so I'm not even gonna bother with that. Now I will put some down my neck. Don't ever forget about your neck. Don't leave it out. So I'm gonna put this all over my neck to get a nice dewy, glowy neck. Because when I apply foundation, I also apply it down my neck. Okay, so there is the Glotion. See if you can see it. I mean, it looks really pretty just without foundation on right now, right? I mean, it is super, super duper glowy. So what I will do is I will let that sit for, I don't know, 30, 45 seconds. This does not have any SPF or anything in it. It comes in 4 other shades. I think it comes in a lighter shade like fair, and then a medium, and then I believe like a darker shade. So there should be a color for everybody. Doesn't really have any scent, which I like. I'm glad it doesn't have a scent, and it dries pretty quick. Like it's already dry, but you can really see that glow is going on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply my foundation on top so you can just see how it looks underneath your foundation. If you're curious, I'm using number 7 Stay Perfect foundation in color, where's the color? Warm Ivory. And using my A Design Beauty brush. Y'all know I love these, pointed foundation brush. So I'm just going to apply my foundation all over my skin on top of the L'Oreal Glotion. And you'll see how it just gives my skin like a really pretty radiant glow. And like I said, I have really dry skin, so it feels great. And it looks great to have something like this Glotion on, because I feel like it makes my skin just look a lot healthier and luminous and not so dry and patchy, which during the winter months, of course, I really, really struggle with. Hopefully you can kind of see how this is looking. I mean, that glow really kind of comes through for sure. And you can always pop on some powder on top of the spots that are glowing a little bit too much, but since I want to make this video nice and short and wrap it up pretty soon, I'm not going to make anything not glowy. I'm just going to kind of leave it as is. But I am going to take my foundation down my neck, because you don't ever want to forget about your neck or your chest, because typically they don't match up from your face. So you want them all to kind of blend together. I will apply a little foundation right there on my forehead. Okay, so there we go. There is how the L'Oreal Glotion performs, Lumi Glotion. And I think it just gives like a really, really pretty luminous look. Of course, I need to go in with concealer and pop it on top of that blemish that I have. But overall, I think it looks great. I mean, it just gives my skin like a nice dewy glow. What do y'all think? And you can put it on top if you want more. You can just dab a little. I just like to press it in with my ring finger. And I don't have on any blush or anything. I would do that next, of course, after my foundation dries a little bit, but we're not gonna do that today. We're just showing off the Glotion and how it literally makes your skin glow. Okay, that's it. So if you're looking for a nice drugstore cheap product to give your skin this kind of look, I say go give it a try. I think it's like 14, 15 bucks. You can get L'Oreal at any drugstore, I believe. And yeah, I think I give it 2 thumbs up. Definitely give it a 4 out of 5. I might have gone a little crazy with it. I don't know. You can let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you like glowy skin, or do you like more matte skin? It's really all kind of a personal preference. I think it depends how old you are also. Me, about to be 41, I definitely want to glow a little more rather than looking just matte and flat and ashy. I just want it to be more radiant. So anyway, that's it for today. Hopefully you liked this product review and tutorial. I guess you could call it a tutorial. So definitely leave me something in the comments below on this IGTV video. I would love to hear if you like this sort of thing, if you like the short and sweet, and if there's something else you'd like to see from me anytime soon. So until then, I will see y'all on the next video. Bye now.